What's up, guys? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're new here, you're welcome. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a vitamin C review brightening mask that would help you to remove all of those dark spots, reveal a brighter skin, and make your skin look really glowing. Okay, now this vitamin C mask is going to remove all of the dead skin cells from your skin, making you look really beautiful and glowing. Alright, so if you want to know how it is made, do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then share this video. Now let me walk you through the video. Alright, so the first ingredients we are going to be needing is going to be rice, and this is actually a boiled and blended rice. Okay, alright guys, so the first ingredients we're going to be needing for this is going to be rice. Now this is a raw rice. Okay, you can get rice from your kitchen, and of course rice helps for greasy and shiny skin. It reduces your large and open pores. It helps to get rid of pimples and pigmentations, and it's also a great moisturizing agent for the skin. It softens and rejuvenates the skin, and it also helps to protect the skin from ultraviolet light. So it contains a natural bleaching property that helps to lighten up the skin, leave the skin rejuvenated and bright. So the next ingredients we're going to be making use of is going to be gram flour. Now gram flour is great in removing suntan. It helps to treat acne, it exfoliates the skin and remove fine lines and unwanted facial hair. It also helpful in making your skin look brighter. It contains a lightening property that would help to leave your skin rejuvenated, removing all of the dead skin cells and leaving you youthful. And then we're going to be making use of lemon. Lemon provides a dose of free radical fighting antioxidants like vitamin C, which helps to keep the skin even toned and help boost the body immune system. Lemon contains astringent property that helps to motivate your skin pores. It helps to close an excessive large and open pores, and it also tightens and rejuvenates your skin. It contains a lightening property that would help to leave your skin looking youthful and radiant. And then we're going to be making use of vitamin C. Now vitamin C, just like the name denotes, it contains a lot and numerous benefits, among which contains vitamin C in it that helps to leave your skin rejuvenated. Using vitamin C alongside with all other natural ingredients that I've shown you is going to be very perfect in lightening up your skin, and it's also going to help to leave your skin rejuvenated. It's going to make you look younger, and it's going to remove all age spots, darkness on your face, pigmentation and burns. Alright guys, so here is my rice. Okay, now what I did here is that I actually boiled the rice very soft, and then I blended it so well, and then we're going to be using the blended rice. Okay, now in this one you're going to be needing to take just 1 tablespoon, except you are making it much. But if you're not making it much, 1 tablespoon of the blended boiled rice will be perfect. Okay, now we'll also be needing gram flour, 1 teaspoon. Alright guys, so I'm going to be cutting the lemon into 2 pieces, and yeah, this is a local lemon. In Africa, in some parts of Africa, we usually have a lemon looking green. Okay, so this is not lime, this is lemon. Okay, so we're going to be needing just 1 teaspoon of the lemon squeezed into this mixture. Okay, and that will be enough. Then we're going to be taking 2 of this vitamin C Now we would have to crush it, okay? So I'm going to be using this small mini mortar to do that. You have to crush, let it be very smooth, so that when you put it in the ingredients, you're not going to be having some particles, okay? And this is how it looks like. Okay, now we would have to turn that into the mixture. And then you'd then mix everything together. You should be having a pinkish result, okay? Your treatment should be looking pink. Okay guys, so now you would have to make sure that your consistency is actually very thick. Okay, so if it's not thick enough, you can actually use blended rice. So I have this blended rice here, and I'm going to be putting 1 teaspoon to that, so it could be thick enough. Alright, so this consistency is perfect. And the next thing you're going to do is to mold this, okay? Alright, so this is it guys. Now you have to mold it this way, and then you store it in your refrigerator. Now for this, you don't have to store it too much, but you can repeat the usage of this every day for the period of 2 weeks to see the result. Okay, now when you notice that this is going to be very good on your skin, you would have to continue usage. Alright guys, so here it is, and it should be looking pink, okay? So this is how it looks like. Yeah, so it looks like. Okay, so what you do is that you take one of this, depending on how you mold yours. So the thing is that you have to mold it this way, so that when you want to use it, you just grab one and then you apply all over your face, your neck, your knuckles, your elbows, and all of those places. Okay, make sure to apply in all of those places, so that like this. Really simple to make, and also really simple to apply. Okay, so you grab this and then you would have to use it all over your face, just like that, to help you in getting rid of dark spots. So I'm still using one. I'm still left with two here. And it smells nice too. Now, because of the consistency, because of how thick this is, that is why you would have to use your hands to mash this through your face, okay? Now, when you're done rubbing, then you can, just give it a little scrub. Look at that. Now all of your mixture should be very smooth, okay? You just give it a little scrub, just like that. And then you can allow it on your face for some time. Leave it on your face for about 5 minutes or thereabouts. It's gonna dry like it is on my face now. It's actually beginning to dry. It's not gonna be difficult to dry because the consistency is very, very thick. Okay, and for this too, I'm gonna go store it, and you have to store it in the refrigerator. Yeah, okay, store it in the refrigerator where you would have to use it again. Use that 3 times, and then the next time you would have to make a new one and then you use it, okay? So this is how my face is, the mixture on my face. Alright, so it's actually beginning to dry, so you have to leave it to dry, and then when it dries, then you can wash it off. Remember to wash off with a toilet soap, lukewarm water or a normal water, anyone you can reach out for, okay? Use that to wash this off, and with time you will begin to see that all of those blemishes on your face will begin to go off, and also your skin will be very, very smooth, tighter, your pores will be tighter, and your skin will be brighter, okay? In case you have knuckles, you have to use this on your knuckles too. Use it to scrub your knuckles very, very well, and then all of those stuff with time is just gonna go off, okay? So basically that's how you're gonna do it. Leave it for it to dry, then wash it off, and repeat it 3 times in a week, and do this for some time. Give it time, because of course it's a natural product, okay? You don't expect a miracle to be done here. It's a natural product. All of the ingredients here are natural, and they are very good on your skin, okay? Then you would see a huge result. Okay guys, so that's it. Just like I mold it, you can mold it that way, or you can decide not to mold yours and just store it like that in your refrigerator. But I actually molded mine so that I could just grab one and use it. In the evening I grab one and use it, so it's going to help you a whole lot to reveal a brighter and a more cleaner skin, and you are going to be loving your results, okay? So that's it guys. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, and stay flawless.